Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to assemble the tool roll today. So you take your interfacing, like so, and then you'll have your fat quarter, and you lay it with the 18-inch length on top of your interfacing. Line up the edges so that the interfacing comes all the way down, and so it looks like that. And then you take your pocket fabric, and this is the, not that you can really tell, but this is the right side of the fabric, so you want to make sure the right side is out. Fold it in half, and then match the bottom edges up to the interfacing and the main fabric. So it'll look like that. And then once you're all done with that and you have everything lined up the way you want it to, so it'll be interfacing on the bottom, main fabric facing up towards you, and then the two pieces, the two sides of the pocket fabric folded in half here. And then you complete your fabric sandwich by folding the big piece of fabric in half. So now you have the fabric part assembled